Hello everyone, myself Viral Mehta. Today I am going to explain aromatic heterocycles in organic synthesis for the seminar of PCH 4802 in Advanced Organic Synthesis. Topic covered in this presentation is introduction, pyrols, pyridines, pyrimidines, benzene fused heterocycles such as indoles and references. Aromatic heterocycles come in many shapes and forms. They may be 5-member ring with 1 or 2 heteroatoms such as furan, imidazole, thiazole. They may be 6-member rings such as pyridine, pyrimidine, or even have 2 fused such as indole or isoquinoline, which we saw in below picture of the slide. Substituted versions are important in pharmaceutical, agrochemical, and chemical industries. Many heterocycles rings are made by the formation of carbon heteroatom bond. If we disconnected either CN bond of pyrrole 8, we back to ketone and amine containing 9 number structure. If we disconnect the imine in imidazole 10, we should also get back ketone and amine in 11 number structure. Both 9 and 11 are unstable. These carbon electrophile are aldehyde ketone oxidation level. Both contrast disconnection of pyridone 12 number structure give a similarly unstable amine and carboxylic acid 13 number structure is obtained. We are never going to make 8, 10 or 12 from this intermediate because it is important to recognize that the marked carbon atom in 12A, 14 and 15 number structure are the carboxylic acid oxidation level. We can put this into practice immediately with the synthesis of pyrrole 16. This connection of both CN bond of give a very reasonable intermediate 1,4-diketone 17 number structure. This will need to be made by the one of the method from chapter previous. On the other hand, if we synthesize the furan structure number 18, which is synthesized without the help of heteroatom, by the acid cyclize the ketone diketone structure of 17. Synthesis of pyrroles. A simple example is pyrrole 19 required for the synthesis of a anti-inflammatory clopidogrel. Disconnection of the 2 CN bond reveals the diketone 20 number structure, which is also known as acetonyl acetone, and simple aromatic amine 21 number structure. So, the synthesis is to mix together. This synthesis make n substituted pyrroles are available. If 1,4-dicarbonyl compound is unsymmetrical, then will be also made by the different method. 23 can be disconnected at a branch point with idea of using D1 reagent for the butanaldehyde in the conjugate addition to the enone 24 number structure. Any of the D reagent suggested in chapter previous, but they prefer to catalytic method using thiazolium salt 25. They choose microwave to assist the first step and the unusual Lewis catalyst bismuth triflate for the second in ionic liquid beaming. It is also aromatic heterocyclic compound. We know they dialkyl imidazolium salt are easily made by the double alkylation method, which we saw in below picture, in which 25 are react with butanaldehyde, it gives 23, then it is react with triflate is give 22 number structure. 6-member ring pyridines. Disconnection of both CN bond of pyridine 50 number structure is gives enone in dione 51 number structure, but alkene has a 2 cis for cyclization. To be possible to conjugate enone are rather unstable. It is usually easier to remove the double bond to reveal the saturation 1,5-diketone 52 that can be made by the method which is explained previous chapter. This is usually means conjugate addition of enolate to enone. 21 number structure. Treatment of diketone 52 with ammonia gives the dihydropyridine 53 number structure that is very easily oxidized by a variety of oxidases to pyridine 50 itself. Hydrogen from C4 carbon atom is very easily removed as a product in is aromatic. If you know some biological chemistry, you will recognize the similarity to NADPH, which means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. If you do not want to be bothered with oxidation, you can also use hydroxyl amide instead of ammonia, which we saw in next slide. The intermediate is now unstable and eliminate water 54 very easily. One of the two marked hydrogen C4 is lost the proton with cleavage of the weak NO bond to give pyridine 50 number structure and water. Here we see that water molecule is removed at the structure 54 and pyridine 50 number structure is obtained. A simple example shows just how easy this is. Bicyclic pyridine 55 number structure gives a diketone 56 number structure which is disconnected in FGA. It gives and disconnecting 56 number structure with its branch point is give some enolate equivalent of a cyclohexanone in enone 57 number structure is obtained. As explained previous chapter, generally we are use managed base. These examples are spectacularly rare. When hitting with managed base 58 with cyclohexanone gives 1,5-diketone 55 number structure that combined with hydroxylamine it gives pyridine 54 with excellent yield, which we saw in below picture. Pyrimidones exit as a amide tautomers 60 rather than the enol tautomers 59. Enol tautomers of phenol 61 is aromatic but the keto tautomers 62 is not, which we saw in next slide. Here we see that 61 number structure is aromatic in nature, 62 number ketone is not in aromatic. When drawing this connection, it does not matter which tautomer which you are use. If we disconnect the both CN bonds 63 number structure, we get a keto acid 64 number structure. Removal of alkene gives simple 1,5-dicarbonyl compound 65. Reaction with ammonia followed by oxidation gives the pyrimidone. Next is pyrimidines. Pyrimidines are pyridines with two hydrogen atom having 1,3 relationship 66 number structure. They occurs in nucleic acid as pyrimidines bases such as cytosine 67, thymine 68 and you will notice that these are pyrimidones. An important new type of anti-cancer drug, Gleevec 69 has a pyrimidine core with link pyridine ring. The compound F-hox that kills green fly without harming ladybirds is a pyrimidine 70. This connection of the ester side chain reveals the pyrimidine 71 number structure. We should rather draw pyrimidone 72 number structure. This connection of two CN bond gives starting materials available dimethyl guanidine 73 and the acetoacetate derivative 74, which is starting material for the formation of our product pyrimidine. The synthesis of 11 used to ethyl acetoacetate, which is methylated and cyclized to guanidine 73 to gives a pyrimidone 72. Acylation of oxidation is gives F-hox directly, our main product. Next is benzene fused heterocycles such as indoles. The most important of the heterocycle fused to benzene ring are the indole 75 number structure, which we saw in below picture. The obvious enamine disconnection gives 76 number structure, which would certainly cyclize to indole, but how are we to make a 76 number structure? As a result of this difficulty, many special reactions have been invented to make indole, and most important of the Fischer-indole synthesis we studied in previous semester. A phenylhydrazone 77 of the ketone or aldehyde is treated with acid or Lewis acid. The product is indole, which we saw in below slide. In essence of phenylhydrazone 77 formed from the ketone 78 and phenylhydrazine tautomerism to give enamine that can undergo 3,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement with cleavage of the weak bond. So the NN bond 79 number structure is unstable intermediate 80 that is aromatized to 81 number structure. So the cyclization of NH2 group onto the imine and the loss of ammonia is give the our final product indole. The easiest way to work out how to make the indole is to disconnect the only two bonds are formed in the reaction. One is CC, second is CN bonds. In 82 structure, write a hydrazine 83 and a ketone 78. There are two questions for selectivity. Here we ask which of the two ortho position will react. Answer is it does not matter. They are the same. Both ortho position are same. So anyone select. Next is the another question is which side of the ketone will enolize or more accurately form the imine 79 number structure enamine. Here it is may be easy that they may again both the same as in 86. In diagram 84 and 86, here is 84 diagram below the picture. We see that here is 86 number structure dotted line, so that symmetry, both are symmetry. So anyone is used for the synthesis of indole. So the references for the preparation of this presentation, generally the references is used the organic synthesis, the disconnection approach by the Stuart Warren. Thank you so much.